Good morning from Lisse, in the heart of the Dutch flower region. It's early, but this is when the magic happens. I'm here to catch the tulip fields waking up under the golden light of sunrise. And yes, also trying to miss the tourists. Each spring, these fields in and around of Lisse come alive with millions of tulips and daffodils. The season is short, from mid-March to early May, but at its peak, the landscape looks like a living painting.
Yeah, it's beautiful Keukenhof, here next to Lisse. Tulips out and blooming. It's tulip season, as you can see, and it is stunning. Beautiful morning, sunrise and fog. Yeah, glad I woke up early on a Sunday morning for this one. Yeah, this is the beauty of living in the Netherlands. So yeah, that's number 2 on my Netherlands trip to discover all places. It was seasonal, so I had to make a stop here at Keukenhof. By the way, this is definitely the time of day to come see the tulips without the tourists. If you come here a couple of hours later, you will see this place packed. You just can't move. There's a lot of people, very touristy. So come early.
Lisse itself is a charming little town surrounded by farms and flower fields. It's peaceful in the morning, especially before the visitors arrive. It's also home to the famous Keukenhof Gardens, known as the Garden of Europe, just a few minutes from here. Even outside Keukenhof, you'll find endless fields stretching from Lisse towards Ahlbom and Noordwijkerhout, all along the Bollenstreek flower route. Wandering through Lisse at sunrise feels like stepping back in time. No crowds, no rush, just the soft sounds of the town waking up. You don't need a big plan here, just follow the fields, the sunrise and your curiosity. Sometimes the best memories are found in the quiet golden hours when it feels like the world belongs only to you. If you enjoy this little escape, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and come along for more cinematic journeys across Europe. Until next time, keep exploring.